Hello students, today we are going to learn about the concept of partial correlation, which is in a part of unit 2. As the name itself mean, we are doing something correlation where the partial will be there. Partial calculation of something will be there. Okay. To know about the partial correlation, we need to go to the background of it. In research in the field of education and psychology, we often find the relationship between two variables is greatly influenced by another third variable or intervening variable. In most situations, it becomes quite difficult to have a reliable or independent estimate of correlation between only two variables unless there is some possibility of nullifying the effects of third variable or variables. This is where the need of partial correlation arises, which can help for nullifying the undesirable influence of a third or additional variable on the relationship between two variables. For example, we want to see the relationship between participation in co-curricular activities and the achievement score. So we have taken a sample of school student and we have collected two scores. One, their participation level in co-curricular activities and their achievement score. And now we can correlate these two scores and find out the correlation between the two variables. But this correlation is actually affected by other intervening variable. If we do the close analysis of these two variables, it suggests that these two variables are influenced by actually many other factors such as the intelligence level, the socioeconomic status, the age level, the health, then environmental factors, many other factors. But here our main concern is to find out simple correlation between these two variables. So this would only possible when we first adopt some kind of measurement to nullify the effect of the intervening variables. So this means there is an urgent need for exercising some control over the other variable except the two we have to measure. So how we can control these other variables, how we can exercise the control over the other variable? It is through two ways. Okay. So there are two ways of controlling or nullifying the influence of intervening variables. First is the experimental technique. What is experimental technique? Here we select the student of same IQ level, similar socioeconomic background, same health status, same age, and then matching and pairing them. This process seems to be actually very tiring and problematic for the researcher, and it drastically reduces the size of sample because we need to match and then take them as a sample. Another technique is exercising the statistical control, which is the most convenient and easy way. In this, what we do, here we hold or nullify the undesirable effect of intervening variable through partial correlation method. So here we can use the whole data without sacrificing any information, and we don't need to go for strict sampling. So now by understanding the need or importance of partial correlation, its background, now we can define what partial correlation is. Partial correlation is a special correlational technique which is helpful in estimating a reliable relationship between two variables by eliminating undesirable influence of a third variable on the variables being calculated. That means we will find out independent and reliable correlation between two variables where the effect of the intervening or undesirable influence of the intervening variable will be nullified or controlled. Now, the partial correlation has been computed with the formula that I will discuss when we do the calculation. It depending on the kind of calculation or kind of variable you control or nullify, can be first order partial correlation where we control or nullify one variable, second order correlation, partial correlation, where we are finding out the correlation between two variable and partially out or nullify two other. Third order partial correlation where we find the correlation between two variable and nullify or controlling the undesirable influence of three more variables. That will be the third order partial correlation. For example, we have a set of variables. Variable 1 achievement score, variable 2 participation in co-curricular activities, variable 3 IQ score, variable 4 socioeconomic status, variable 5 A score. Okay. Now we want to find out a independent and reliable correlation between variable 1 and 2. So if we consider variable 1 and 2 for the correlation, find out correlation between these two, and we are controlling the variable 3, that is IQ score, then it will be the first order partial correlation. If we take the socioeconomic status also an intervening variable and we control that, then it will be second order partial correlation because we are partially controlling two variable, IQ score and socioeconomic status. If we add on third more variable, that A score as an intervening variable and also control that, then that will be a third order partial correlation. Now we have two important application of partial correlation. First application, it is a special statistical technique for eliminating the effect of intervening variables. Second, it enables us to set up a multiple regression equation of two or more variables, which we will do in next class. So, multiple regression equation is a process of regression analysis through which we can do some kind of prediction of one variable with the help of another variable. So in that process, whole procedure of regression analysis, the partial correlation play an important role. So these two are important application of partial correlation. So this is about the concept of partial correlation. The next class we will do about the calculation of partial correlation. Thank you.